Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can set your document on Microsoft Word as read-only. So let us get started right away. Let's assume, guys, you have given your document to one of your coworkers. Your coworker has no access to it, but as the original author, you don't want your coworker to make any changes or edits to your document, but only give him or her access to read it. So this is how you can do it, guys. What you want to do is simply click on edit here in the top right corner next to the share button and switch from the editing permission to the viewing permission here. And after that, as you can see, if I, for example, try to edit that part of the text, add text to it, I won't be able to do it, and you will see the notification here at the bottom. You can make this change because the selection is locked, which means you can't make any changes now. You can't make any changes or edits at all in your text. You can only read it by scrolling up and down. And that's basically it, guys. That's how we do it. We may switch back from viewing to editing. And that's it. That's how we do it, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time on our channel.